Hello and welcome guys, this is Asif from the Kashmir Pulse. In this Android smartphone tutorial, we are going to show you how you can change the background data access for your smartphone applications so as to speed up your data consumption. First, let's go to apps, then move on to settings. After going to settings, scroll down to applications, click on it, then application manager. And application manager will show up all the applications installed on your smartphone, and you can restrict background data access for certain applications which do not need background data access. Like we have file manager on our smartphone. It usually does not need it does not need background data access unless and until it is also your download manager, like Explorer Pro is a file manager, but it sometimes also is used for sometimes it's also used for downloading, but usually file managers don't do that. And if you want to restrict background data access for this, you can simply go to data usage and restrict the background data. See, I have not restricted the background data yet, but I can go ahead and restrict, click on it. The feature may stop apps that depend on background data, and I do want to stop the background data consumption for this app, so I will go ahead and click OK. Okay, done. You can check it on SIM2 and on Wi-Fi also, and this is all. And some applications like messenger applications, like we have WhatsApp on our smartphones, it does need background access to data, so we should not disable that, because if someone sends us a message and WhatsApp is not open at that very time, at the very moment, we will not be notified of the message that we have received or that has been sent to us. So I have already put this to off, this button. So if I do want to restrict background data access to applications like messengers like WhatsApp also, I can go ahead and click this and click OK, and this is it. So the background data consumption for these applications will be restricted. I would suggest you to review background data access to all the applications. For applications which do not require background data access, they should not be granted so, and this will help you a lot in getting the speeds that you expect from a network which is 4G enabled, and for a handset which is 4G enabled also. So this is all in this tutorial. Thanks and have a nice day.